Next question. The particle of mass m are carrying charge minus q1 is moving around a charge plus q2 along a circular path of radius r. Prove that the period of revolution of charge minus q1 about q2 is given that t is equal to under root 16 pi cube epsilon naught mr cube upon q1. Question says that a particle has mass m and carrying charges minus q1 with a moving around plus q2 charge, just like this. This is plus q2 charge and particle is moving around this minus q1 and the separation distance between them is r. This is the radius r, and we suppose that the q1 charge moving with v velocity along the q2 charge with separation distance r. So when it is circular condition and centripetal condition, so here is also applied centripetal force between these charges toward the center, because the positive and negative, so toward the center there are centripetal force is activated also. This is here. So by centripetal force of attraction between two charges is equal to centripetal force. Centripetal force, the force of attraction between two charges according to Coulomb's law, we know that it is equals to the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon r square, and centripetal force is mv square upon r. m is the mass of particle, so this r is cancelled with it. From here we obtain the value of v square, which is equals to the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon mr. So v is equal to square root of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon mr. But it's moved in a circular path, then velocity is equal to circular path velocity is equal to distance upon time. The distance is the circumference of circle, so it is equals to 2 pi r upon time taken to complete this complete revolution is t. So t is equal to 2 pi r upon v. Then t is equal to 2 pi r 1 upon v, then get reverse 4 pi epsilon naught mr upon q1 q2 getting inside. So t is equal to 2 square 4 and 4 16 pi square pi cube epsilon naught m r, and this r square is r cube upon q1 q2 in this way. This is the value of this question. Next question. Two identical charge capital Q, each are kept at a distance r from each other. A third charge small q is placed on the line joining above the two charges such that all the three charges are in equilibrium. So question also say that what is the magnitude and the sign and the position of charge plus q. Firstly we obtain the distance where the charge is placed. Question says that according to question we have drawn a figure. Firstly we suppose that two charges first charge is capital Q, here is second charge, it is also equals to capital Q, and the separation distance between them is capital R, small r. Suppose that at any position, this is A, B, at any position C, which is x distance from A, and this distance is remaining case r minus x, which is small q charge which are placed between them at any position. It is not compulsory it is at center, it is not clear, but in this case we have obtained in question a third charge q is placed on lining join the two charges such that all three charges in equilibrium. This placement shows that the charges are in equilibrium condition, so the force between this charge to this charge and force between this charge to this charge is equal, means that equilibrium means, so force between F2 AC and force between F2 BC is equal. FAC is equals to the FBC, so FAC is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 Q upon x square is equals to the force between BC also equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q and distance between them r minus x whole square. Both are same, this is same, this is same, so it's getting cancelled. Remain x square is equal to r minus x whole square. So x is getting common, so written as x square is getting common, remain r upon x minus 1 whole square. This x square is cancelled with x square, so r upon x minus 1 is equal to 0, so r upon x is equal to 1. Then it is equals to 1, then 1 1 2, so r is equal to 2x, so x is equal to r by 2, means that charge A is repelled by similar charge at B, so in equilibrium condition Q charge is placed at the center of A and B. ठीक है, क्लियर है, Q चार्ज जो है A और B के सेंटर में प्लेस है. इसका मतलब क्या कि इसके बीच लगने वाला फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन होगा कितना, तो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन या उस चार्ज की उसने पूछा है ना कि व्हाट इज़ द मैग्नीट्यूड साइन एंड पोजीशन ऑफ चार्ज, तो मैग्नीट्यूड चार्ज का कितना होगा, तो वो मैग्नीट्यूड होगा कितने के बराबर, ये वैल्यू उठाकर अब इस दोनों में रखते हैं तो यहाँ से Q का मान आ जाएगा, तो ये हो जाएगा 1/4 सेम है दोनों में, ये r/2 ये r/2, और यहाँ पर इनके बीच जो इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशंस पे ये है, इन दोनों के बीच के चार्जेस को डिफाइन करना है, सो कितने के बराबर होगा, तो k इंटू क्यू अपान r/2 होल स्क्वायर is equals to k as a constant value of this, q into q upon r/2 whole square, then q into q is equal to q square, so q is equal to this is equals to r square, sorry, upon 4, so it's equals to q by 4. This is mean magnitude of charge small q is 1/4 time of the identical charge q. Clear है? और साइन इस चार्ज का क्या होगा, अपोजिट होगा चार्जेज ऑफ प्लस क्यू के, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बैलेंस कंडीशंस को डिफाइन कर रहा है, इसलिए जब भी प्लस क्यू का जो साइन होगा वो इन चार्जेस के अपोजिट होगा। ये पॉजिटिव है तो ये क्या होगा, नेगेटिव होगा। मतलब इक्विलिब्रियम की कंडीशंस में या देखिए होगा क्या कि ये इसको अट्रैक्ट करेगा या रिपल करने की कोशिश करेगा। तो अट्रैक्शन या रिपल्सन तभी हो सकता है जब वो अपोजिट चार्जेज है। इसका मतलब अगर ये पॉजिटिव है तो ये नेगेटिव, अगर ये नेगेटिव है तो ये पॉजिटिव, ठीक है। बट यहाँ पर चार्जेस अपोजिट होंगे, बस इतना ही ध्यान रखना।